Yo, what's up? It's Smart. Today I'm gonna be doing how to make a Gqom beat like Chustar. So I already have the sounds and everything ready for you guys. So I'm just gonna break it down what I did in the song because it's going to take very long if I had to do it from scratch. So I'm just gonna show you what I did. So as I showed you in the previous video of the how to create Gqom for absolute beginners. So the kick is a normal kick. Pa 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 pa. Normal kick. And I added the background noise, the lead. And that's on A sharp. And then have to add the snare. And then I added the box. And then what I also saw Chustar like using a tom or a snare to boom, 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 boom. You like using that. It gives the nice bounce to the song. Boom, boom, boom. You like using that. And then what Chustar also likes to use is the whistle. He likes to chop it up because he doesn't like to use it so long. So he likes to chop the whistle up like that. I just added like super meets hypo. What I also saw they like using a log drum, or I like to use this dual bass 4 and just tweak it a little bit. The bass to it, bass guitar. you like what I did in the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and comment down what was your favorite part, or if I should do more. So if you want more content like this, please subscribe.